Unboxing the Sony W800 camera. This camera is equipped with 20 megapixel, 5x optical, 26mm wide range, 720p for video. So what is in here? Let's see. It comes on two colors, a white and the black. This is the white. The manuals, the AC adapter of 0.2 amps, a USB transfer cable, rope holder, and then the battery. So that is all you have inside the pack. So I'm going to be showing you the clarity of this camera in the next video. So do well to checkmate all these when you buy your W800 Sony digital camera. Remember, this is a recap: the battery, the rope holding, USB transfer cable type A, 0.2 amps adapter for charging the battery. The transfer cable can also act as the charger, the camera, and then the manuals.